the Toyota Corolla remains a reliable, efficient option with sedan, hatchback, and hybrid models, including a new FX Special Edition and minor updates for 2025. While not as thrilling as competitors, it's a practical choice with a potential redesign expected in 2026. So let's look at 10 things you need to know before buying the 2025 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla has long been a staple in the lineup, especially with its sedan and hatchback models. For 2025, Toyota is introducing the Corolla FX, a special edition that focuses on bold exterior styling. This version of the four-door sedan takes inspiration from the 1980s Corolla FX16, though it's more about looks than performance. The Corolla FX stands out with its blacked-out design, featuring 18-inch satin black alloy wheels with machined accents, a black roof, a rear spoiler, and blacked-out badging and mirror caps. The car sits slightly lower thanks to shorter springs, and the steering has been retuned for a sportier feel. The FX also introduces a new 10.5-inch infotainment screen, which will be an option across the rest of the Corolla lineup. In both sedan and hatchback styles, the car continues to evolve, balancing classic design with modern touches. In both sedan and hatchback forms, the Corolla continues to rely on its dependable yet modest 169 horsepower 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine. This engine sends power to the front wheels through a continuously variable automatic transmission, providing a smooth and efficient ride. While it may not be the most thrilling option on the road, the Corolla's powertrain is reliable and consistent, making it a solid choice for everyday driving. The sedan also offers a hybrid variant for those looking for better fuel efficiency. This same 2.0-liter engine remains the standard for all non-hybrid and non-GR Corolla models, delivering 169 horsepower and 151 pound-feet of torque. For those who need all-wheel drive, the hybrid version is worth considering. While the GR Corolla offers more power and all-wheel drive, it comes at a higher price, and that automatically means the standard models are a practical and affordable option for most drivers. Corolla is designed with fuel savings in mind, and you know what that means. Of course, it is an excellent choice for those who want to save at the pump. The standard 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine is already efficient, with the sedan earning up to 41 miles per gallon on the highway. However, the real star in fuel efficiency is the car's hybrid model. The front-wheel drive hybrid version achieves an impressive 53 miles per gallon in the city and 46 miles per gallon on the highway, while the all-wheel drive hybrid is close behind with 51 miles per gallon in the city and 44 miles per gallon on the highway. Even the hatchback delivers strong fuel economy, rated at up to 32 miles per gallon in the city and 42 miles per gallon on the highway. The Corolla offers a driving experience that's predictable and straightforward. That makes it a dependable choice for daily commuting. While it may not be the quickest off the line, the Corolla handles town driving prudently and maintains a steady pace on the highway. Acceleration can be slow, and pushing the engine hard can result in some unrefined sounds, but overall, the ride quality is pleasant. The suspension does a good job of smoothing out most bumps, and the controlled body motions provide better agility than previous models. The SE and XSE trims stand out with a sport-tuned suspension and larger 18-inch wheels, offering a slightly stiffer, more engaging ride. However, compared to sportier rivals like the Mazda 3 and Honda Civic, the Corolla's steering is adequate, but not particularly thrilling. Despite its limitations, the Corolla shines with cushy front seats, a comfortable ride, and responsive handling. And for those seeking excitement, the GR Corolla hatchback is in a league of its own, delivering a raucous and rally-inspired experience, but it's far from the standard Corolla experience. Corolla's cabin design feels a bit dated, as it hasn't seen significant updates since 2020. The interior of both the sedan and hatchback is straightforward, featuring a streamlined dashboard that's functional, but lacks the modern flair found in some competitors. While the layout is generally user-friendly, subpar ergonomics and some lower-quality materials can detract from the overall experience. Most Corolla models come equipped with convenient features like passive entry and push-button start, adding a touch of modernity. The new FX Special Edition sedan introduces fabric seats with orange stitching, giving the cabin a bit of extra style, and a new 10.5-inch infotainment screen, which will also be available in other trims. Despite these additions, the Corolla's cabin design remains simple and practical, focusing more on functionality than luxury. The Corolla's cabin offers a comfortable and cozy experience, with soft-touch materials that enhance the overall feel of the interior. The seats are plush and provide a comfortable ride, making long drives more enjoyable. For those who want to elevate their comfort, the car can be upgraded with features like ambient interior lighting, dual-zone climate control, and heated front seats. However, space can feel a bit cramped, especially in the hatchback model. If you frequently have backseat passengers, the sedan is a better choice, offering considerably more legroom compared to the hatchback. You'll find that the Corolla offers practical but modest cargo space, especially in the hatchback model, which provides 18 cubic feet of storage behind the back seat. If you're among those needing a bit more room, the no-cost enhanced cargo space option expands this to 23 cubic feet by replacing the spare tire with a tire repair kit. On the other hand, the sedan model offers 13 cubic feet of trunk space, which is nearly identical to the Mazda 3 but can feel a bit tight for larger items. Both the sedan and hatchback models have limited interior cubby storage compared to some roomier rivals, though they do feature a convenient tray at the front of the center console and a useful bin below the armrest for smaller items. The Corolla comes with an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, offering Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, as well as a subscription-based Wi-Fi hotspot. For 2025, a new 10.5-inch touchscreen is standard on the FX Special Edition and available on other trims, providing a more modern interface. The Corolla also includes 4 USB-C ports, 2 in the front and 2 in the rear, along with a 12-volt accessory port, and offers optional features like wireless charging and an upgraded JBL audio system for enhanced sound quality. While the technology in the car is functional, some may find the design a bit dated. The hatchback model adds a new integrated streaming feature, allowing drivers to link their Apple Music and Amazon Music subscriptions directly to the car. Every Corolla model comes equipped with Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0, a comprehensive suite of driver assistance technologies. This includes adaptive cruise control above 20 miles per hour, pre-collision alerts and braking, lane centering, automatic high beams, and road sign assist. Even on the base model, these features are standard, demonstrating Toyota's commitment to safety for all drivers. Higher trims add even more protection with available or standard features like blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert. The current generation Corolla has also earned top safety ratings, including 2023, the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety Top Safety Pick, and a 5-star overall rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, further solidifying its reputation as a secure and dependable vehicle. The Toyota Corolla offers a range of pricing options, starting around $24,000 for the base LE sedan and going up to $29,000 for the top-tier XSE sedan or hybrid XLE sedan. This makes the Corolla an appealing choice for those seeking value without compromising on essential features. For those looking for a bit more sportiness, the SE sedan is a great option, priced at an estimated $26,000. It offers a tauter suspension for a more engaging driving experience, along with standard features like LED headlights, 18-inch wheels, a leather-trimmed steering wheel, and an 8.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. For those interested in hybrid efficiency, the hybrid LE sedan starts at around $25,000, providing excellent value for those focused on fuel savings. The new FX Special Edition sedan, with its unique styling, is estimated to be priced at $27,000, offering a blend of style and value.